Yep, that's a railroad. One second, sorry. Wow, amazing. This one. Wow. Wow, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. So nice. Hi guys, still driving, going to Zoni Pueblo, near the border of Arizona, and then we will go in Arizona because we're going to ano ba yun? What is that again? That tomorrow we're going to?
Feet.
No, the rock, honey.
The big rock.
Come on.
We're actually going to
the
the big trench. Big hole.
Nakalimut ko. Honey, what is the name again? We're going to...
A big rock.
Guys, I'm so serious.
Great big rock.
What is that, honey? The name?
It's the Grand Rock.
Grand Canyon. Oh, thank you,
I
Joshua.
said Grand Rock.
Grand Canyon. Okay, so we're going to Grand Canyon tomorrow.
We're going to the Grandmaster Luke.
Stop showing my feet. Yes, they can see your... Oh, look at... Mary, look outside, look. Look outside. It's beautiful, look. You cannot see this in Ohio, honey.
Fast.
Oh my God, look. Oh, so pretty. Ano lang yan, dahil sa volcano, guys, nagkaganyan siya. Oh. Yeah, your father said.
I said there were some volcanoes. I didn't say these were volcanoes.
Oh, I know. And look. Oh my God. You should look, Joshua and Mary Joyce. Appreciate the beauty of the nature. Yeah. Look. Oh, look the houses. Oh, small houses. And that's the... And that's the feet. Ganda, sobra. I'm still driving, guys. Today is March 13, 2026. Nak! Ay, kulit-kulit talaga sobra. Ayan. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa view. Na-appreciate ko yung beauty ng nature talaga ba?
Efficient feet.
Oh? Mga bataan ni. Oh? Ang ganda, sobra. Biluangan daw ko sa kong mga anak ay. Oh?
Efficient because
Nindot di kayo magsakay-sakay rata no. Ayan. Passenger ako ngayon. Pero mamaya mag-exchange kami. Ako na po mag-drive. Tapos yan ako masakay. Ay, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Te! Your feet, ate. Ang ganda, nak. Look outside, nak. Oh, Mary Joyce. Look outside. Look outside, nak. Oh. You cannot see this one in Ohio. You can only see here in New Mexico.